Good day. We were about to record a video on how to transpose rows and columns in Excel when we noticed that we have something called Easy Document Creator menu in Excel. That in itself isn't a big concern. Easy Document Creator is just the bolt-in scanning software that comes with Samsung printers. However, we didn't ask for it. I don't want it. And so what we decided to do was to explain to everyone how to remove garbage add-ins to your Microsoft Office products. Now, it's pretty straightforward. Click on File in the top left-hand corner, go all the way down to Options, and then click on Add-ons. So this is a COM add-on. So what you need to do is scroll down to here and select COM add-ins. There we go. And there's Easy Document Creator. No, I don't want it. In fact, I'm going to remove it. Now you notice here it says can only be disconnected and connected by an administrator. No problem. So I'm going to select OK on that because this will at least get rid of it, but I actually want it removed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Excel. I could use Word. Excel doesn't make a difference, any of the products, but I'll use Excel because that's what I have open now. And if I right click on it, I can select Run as Administrator. And Excel will launch. Click a new notebook here. And you'll see Easy Document Creator is here because I'm a different person now. But I need to get rid of this. So I'm going to click File, Options, go to Add-ons. Notice that it's a COM add-on that I want to get rid of. So go to the bottom and select COM add-ins. Select Go, unselect it, and select Remove. And boom, she gone. So let's close that now. And let's go to, well, we'll just launch Excel one more time. And you see here that there's no Easy Document Creator. Let's get rid of that. Now let's go to Word, and you'll notice it's probably still there. So let's click on this, and yes, it is. So we can do the same thing, File, Options, go to Add-ons, and we could select, there it is. We could select COM add-ons, and you'll see Easy Document Creator here. But again, I don't want to just get rid of it. I don't want to just hide it. I want it actually gone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to Word. I'm going to right click on it, select Run as Administrator, say yes, go all the way down to Options, select Add-ins. In this case, it's a COM add-in that we care about, so I'm going to select COM add-ins down here, and I'm going to remove it. Click OK, and bingo, it's gone. Now let's take a look at PowerPoint. We'll just go to File, Options, Add-ins, and Easy Document Creator is there as well. So instead now I'm going to go straight to PowerPoint as an admin. Right click, Run as admin. Yes. Go straight to Options. Go to Add-ins. Select COM add-ins. Remove. Bingo. Now it's gone from the 3 tools that I regularly use. Now keep in mind that this method of turning off features that are bolted into Word and Excel and PowerPoint and Outlook and whatever else from third-party software is a way for you to control it. But if you had the choice, the best way to go is to right-click on the Start button, go to Apps and Features, find the product in question, which in my case is Easy, Samsung Easy Document Creator, select Modify, and remove the setting that says bolt this into Office and so on and so forth. Now in my case, as you can see, I don't have that option. So I have a choice. I can either get rid of Easy Document Creator, which I can't do because I need the scanner, and I can get rid of it by selecting Uninstall, which will certainly take it out of Word and Excel and everything else, but then I won't have a use of my scanner, so that's annoying. Or I can do what I showed you, which is to remove the add-ins one by one. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, please get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca. Thank you. Bye-bye.